Hi, I'm going to show you how to find the minor key signatures. I do this based off of the major key signatures. If you've seen my other couple of videos here, then you know that I created a chart that has these notes. So we're going to make another chart. After you write those notes up there, F and then B, G, C, F, those are the order of flats. There's no flat on the first F. This is our major key signature line here. Remember that if I'm in the key of F, I have a B flat in that key. If I'm in the key of B flat, then I have the B flat and an E flat in that key. If I'm in the key of E flat major, then I have B flat, E flat, and A flat in the key. Yeah, I have an F in the key, but it's natural because F's natural over here. If I get all the way down to C flat, then yes, I do have an F flat in that key signature. Okay, so underneath these letters here, I'm going to draw an arrow pointing upward toward those notes. At least they're supposed to be arrows. My daughter's drawing this out for you. She's 3. Alright, and the next row down, I'm going to put one letter alphabetically underneath those notes. The top line, I can't speak here. So one letter before F in the alphabet is E. One letter below B in the alphabet is A. One before E in the alphabet is D. A, B, C, D, E? Yep. And then I'd continue, and I will in just a second. I'm going to draw another arrow underneath those, pointing downward. I'm not sure why, but it's going to point downward. And one letter under E is A, B, C, D. I'm going to make it lowercase. My majors on the top row are going to be uppercase. My minors, the bottom row, are going to be lowercase. Alright, now then, I'm going to do the alphabet for you. I have to switch pens here. I have in the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Do you see that I'm going up the row here? I'm going to try to draw and then erase. So I'm going D, E, F. Can you see the dots I'm putting? G, and we go back to alphabetically, we go back to A. A, B, C, D, E, F. There'll be a G in red here. Doesn't matter if these are big or little. And then go back to A, B, C, oh boy, D, E, scoot that down a little bit, F, G, then A, B, and then C, D. Let me try to draw my little arrows. I don't know if I left enough spots there. Alright, one more little note here. Everything on the top row, B and after, are flatted. So because B is flatted, everything after it gets flatted. On the bottom row, I have D, G, C, F, B. There's my first B right here. It needs to be flatted, just like the top row. And everything after it is flatted. Okie dokie. This red row here is very important. It means nothing. It's just a space to fill in the gap. Alright, so one more time, if you're making the chart, I have my first column here. It starts on D. And I just go up alphabetically. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, all the way until I get to F flat, and I stop. That's the way to remember the chart. Okay, try to erase my lovely drawings here. Okay, so if I'm looking at the key of D minor, I'm looking at my minor list over here. This is the minor row. D minor has one flat. just like the key of F major has one flat. So this whole row, either F major or D minor has one flat. And remember that you just take the one right next to it, and that's it. So F major has a B flat, and so does D minor. So if I draw my staff here, and I put one flat on the B flat line, that's not the key of B flat, it's the key of F major or D minor, if we're in major or minor. If I have two flats, 1, 2, I'm going to draw my 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then, oh, come on, and then sort of 8 down here. There's a double flat. So when there's two flats, I'm in the key of B flat or G minor. And those flats are B flat and E flat. The order of flats is up there on the top. So if I have two flats, B flat and E flat, I'm in the key of G minor or B flat major. If I have three flats, I have B flat, E flat, and A flat. Three flats. You can look at this number here too. B flat, E flat, plus one more, A flat. That's the key signature for E flat major or C minor. Add another flat. You would have four flats is A flat major or F minor. And you could continue all the way down, B, E, A, D, G, C, F. We've used every note now. When we have seven flats, we're in the key of C flat major or A flat minor. And then my eighth column down there, if I put another, I start over basically. So I went to F flat, and then I loop around. The next thing would be B flat again, so it'd be a B double flat for this one. So this one has essentially 8 flats, which is 2 double flats and then 6 others, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's F flat major or C flat minor. All right, that is it for flats, major flats and minor flats.